Good afternoon. So, we decided to do a little bit, well, the royal we, right? So I've decided to do a little bit of medical care, cosmetic care today. Going for a teeth whitening at Seaside Dental over in Tong. Bit of a last minute sort of booking. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to put like a photo of before the treatment and then after, and I'll confirm the prices once I get it done, and I'll let you know how it goes. Bye. What are you doing? Okay, so just had the dental whitening treatment. It was a good experience actually. So they had a couple of options. You could have gone for like the laser treatment or the Philips Zoom treatment, which apparently it's if you have sensitive teeth and it stops the hurting. It's the peroxide that you have for it. So I had that, and it was 9,000 baht, which isn't too bad of a price really when you think about it. It took about 45 minutes to an hour to get that treatment. But first you had to have like a clean, which cost 1,600 baht, so probably about 35 quid, which again for like a full deep clean wasn't too bad. So they did like 3 lots of treatment as you were doing your teeth. They put the whitening stuff on after having the cleaning, and then they went through and did all that, the treatment itself, and then they took all the stuff off and reapplied it, and they did that 3 times in total. And each time your teeth, well my teeth anyway, were a bit sensitive. They weren't too bad. And then as I was coming downstairs, you could sort of see the difference when I had a quick look, and then Rachel could see a little bit.
They look beautiful. I see a massive difference actually. And I look at work every day.
Well, I don't blame you, but and then so I decided to get like a takeaway treatment as well. Apparently that does last up to 2 years, year and a half, 2 years. No, the actual treatment itself.
What is it?
Yeah, so the one we've just had, the professional one, the Royal Week me, lasts for between 1.5 to 2 years. Can be 6 months. I guess it depends how much like stuff you drink and eat. Coffee, yeah, if it means coffee, tea or red wine. Also, I like my coffee. A couple of coffees a day normally at home, and then a cup of tea at 3 o'clock. That's me. But I'll be drinking water like as I'm having my coffee at the same time. So you're sort of rinsing that off. So it should last for about 2 years. But I also got a takeaway kit, which comes with a moulding for your teeth. So they do it there in the dentist. That took about 15 minutes in total, professionally done. So we've got to go back later on and collect that. Probably takes about another hour or so. But then you got 2 syringes. So yeah, put some pictures in later on. I think that was, how much was that? 2.5?
2.5 was it, or was it 10?
About 2,000 baht, I think it was. Not too bad.
And they last what, 5 to 6 times at a
7 times, she said.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so one syringe can do 7 sort of treatments. But you take it steady each time and do like, start off like 20 minutes, a little bit in, and then move up to 2 hours if you really wanted to go for like a really deep clean, well, deep sort of white colour. So we'll give it a bash in like a couple of months, or well, depending really how much you want to do. So I'll let you know. Alright, bye.